What is up, awesome people? I am coming to you today to tell you an awesome opportunity that Rockin' Custom got to be a part of. So this last Sunday, May 11th, Overflow Church sent 22 missionaries to Africa. Their goal was to help a church out in worship, and Rockin' Customs got to be a part of it. We were able to send 4 guitars with them as they went to Africa. So it's crazy to think that a week ago we were stringing these instruments up and getting them on for their voyage. Speaking about African missionaries, we have Edgar de Jesus performing May 30th for our very first Rockin' Custom community concert. He will be joined that night with special guests where we will have great music, storytelling, and community. Join us that night from 7 to 9 p.m. at Claremont First Assembly Church, where doors will open at 6:30 p.m. We can't wait to see you guys there.